First thing me I gonna say before me start off the video, yeah. People, the country just open up back. The devil I look for new souls every day. The devil I look for sinners. People, giving a life to God. Before you leave out on the house, pray to God. Before you go sleep, pray to God. Before you eat, pray to God. R.I.P. baby girl Lexi the best. Viewers, YouTuber comedian Lexi the best, her boyfriend and her best friend met into a car accident, and the car accident claimed the three of them life. R.I.P. This is what they said took place. If you want to see the gruesome video, if your heart strong, you can look pant. If your heart though strong, please don't go look. But if you want to see the gruesome video, people, with Lexi the best in the car, her boyfriend and her best friend, click the link in the description or go to JamaicaLoop.com. This is what they said took place, people. Lexi the best was promoting a cookout on her Instagram page, which she, her best friend and her boyfriend attend. On the way going to the cookout, they realized that they left something behind. They turn around the vehicle, which is a Mark X, right? A Toyota Mark X. The boyfriend turned around the vehicle and was rushing back because he was trying his best to reach the cookout early. On his way rushing back, he break a stoplight, and there is when all hell break loose. He break the stoplight and ran right into a Voxy bus. On the spot, the three of them dead in the car. Yo, the car mash up bad people, me I tell no. But that is what eyewitness say. Them say him break the stoplight because he must speed fast. He must try beat the stoplight basically. So the stoplight turn orange or yellow. And you know, say it go turn red soon. So he must try beat it. He must try drive fast to beat it. But he never make it, people. He run right now the Voxy bus and the three of them dead right there and spot people. Me I tell you, it's sad. On the looks of things, people, it seems that the Mark X never get for juke brakes none at all. Him not get for juke brakes at all too. Everything at my fast, people. The whole of Lexi head mash out on the dashboard, like literally. You can see like her neck broke, her foot stuck underneath the dashboard because when the car get the hard impact, the dashboard push up on her, you know, people. The car sink in on her, you know. Her foot stuck underneath the car and bear things, people, as I say. If you don't want to see it, click the link in the description or go to JamaicaLoop.com and please leave your condolences in the comment section below. Venom Entertainment, RIP.